Guys, what even is an annuity? I keep hearing that in class.
Oh, an annuity is when you pay or receive the same amount of money regularly, like every month, for a certain number of years.
Like my uncle Johan, he borrowed 28,000 to buy a home furniture. And he paid it over 6 years with interest.
Okay, let me explain. So here,
Since Uncle Johan borrowed 28,000 to buy home furniture and the interest rate is 8.5% compounded monthly for 6 years, we're gonna calculate the monthly payment, which is R. We will use this formula where A is present value of annuity, R is periodic payment, I is the interest rate per interest period, and N is the term of investment. In order to do that, we're gonna find all the value first, where A is 28,000, T is 6, K is 0.085, M is 12, N is M, multiply with K equal to 72. And I is K over M, which is 17 over 2,400. Now, to find monthly payment, substitute all the value given. A is 28,000 equals to R, multiply with 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I, which is 17 over 2,400 to the power of negative N, which is negative 72 over I, which is 70 over 2,400. So, calculate that and then we will get the value of R is RM 497.80 cents.
Oh, so every month, 497 ringgit and 80 cents goes to the bank for 6 years?
yes, that's the annuity, a fixed monthly payment to pay off the loan and the interest.
Oh.
So, do you guys know we can also calculate total interest?
To find the total interest, first of all, you need to write down all the information that we have, where we have the value of R, we can get from the question A is equal to 497.80, and the value of N, where you can get from the question A also, is equal to 72, and the value of A is equal to 28,000. And to find the total interest, we use formula I equal to NR minus A. Next, you have to substitute all the value in this formula, where you multiply 72 with 497.80 and minus it with 28,000. And you have the value of total interest is 7,841.60.
Oh, okay. Now I understand.
Okay guys, what if Uncle Johan skips the first 3 payments and he spends the money on a vacation instead?
Then he would be in trouble because interest will keep on growing.
So to calculate the fourth payment, we know that N will be equal to 4. We can use the future value formula, which is S equal to R in a bracket 1 plus I to the power of N minus 1 over I. From the question A, we know that R is equal to 497.80. 1 plus I, which is 17 over 2,400 to the power of N equal to 4 minus 1 over 17 over 2,400. So in the bracket, the value will be 4.0427, and then we will multiply this and the value will be equal to 2012.46.
I have a question. What if Uncle Johan wants to know his remaining balance after 3.5 years?
Oh, I can explain that.
Okay, so first,
The loan originally has 6 years left, so we subtract with 3.5, which Uncle John already paid for, and now that leaves us with 2.5 years left. So next we calculate the new number of payment left, which 2 times 2.5, which equals to 30. Now we use the present value formula for an ordinary annuity to calculate those remaining 30 payments. We're just gonna substitute all the information we have are the monthly payment and number of payment, and I the monthly interest rate. So the monthly payment R is equal to 497.80, open bracket 1 minus 1 plus 17 divided by 2,400 to the power of negative 30 over 17 divided by 2,400. Close the bracket. And now that gives us the present value of those remaining 30 payments, which is 30,411.35 cents.
Oh, makes sense now. One formula and you can do so much.
So guys, it's not just numbers, it's real life. That's why annuity matters.
Exactly.